Hussain bin Munzir Abu Sasan states, I visited Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu. Meanwhile, Walid bin Uqaba was brought. He performed 2 units of the Fajr prayer and then said, I increase this prayer for you. Let the people in 2 more units. 2 men bore witness against him. One of them was Himran, who testifies that he consumed wine, and the other said that he witnessed him vomiting. Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhu said, how can he puke of the wine out if he has not consumed it? And then he said, O Ali, get up and flog him with lashes. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, O Hassan, you should award him flogging. Hazrat Hassan radiyallahu anhu said, let him suffer the heat of caliphate, who has enjoyed its coolness. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu got annoyed and said, O Abdullah bin Jafar, get up and flog him. He stood up and started flogging him, and Hazrat Ali started counting them. When he radiyallahu anhu reached 40, he said, stop. He radiyallahu anhu then said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam awarded 40 strips, and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu as well awarded 40 strips, whereas Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu inflicted 80 strips, and all these acts are sunnah. But this 40 strips is my most favorite act. Ali bin Hajr adds that Ismail said, I heard the Sahih Hadith from him, but I could not remember it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4432.